Have you ever felt like a tightly wound clock ticking away, each second adding more tension, more stress? Hi, I'm John, and today on Stress Relief 101, we're going to explore an ancient Chinese practice that's like the key to unwinding that clock, releasing the tension and restoring harmony to your body, mind, and spirit. It's called Qigong, and it's a gentle art that's as soothing as a lullaby and as invigorating as a morning cup of coffee. Imagine, if you will, a river. When it's flowing freely, it's a beautiful sight full of life and energy. But when it's blocked, it becomes stagnant, lifeless. Our bodies are like that river. Energy, or qi, as it's known in Chinese, flows through us. When it's flowing freely, we feel good, we're healthy, we're in balance. But when it's blocked, we feel stressed, tired, out of sorts. Qigong is like the river keeper, ensuring that the energy flows freely, removing any blockages, restoring balance. Now picture a tree. It's rooted firmly in the ground, yet its branches sway gently in the wind. It's both stable and flexible. That's what Qigong does for us. It grounds us, makes us feel stable, yet it also makes us flexible, able to sway with the winds of life without breaking. Qigong is like a dance, a slow, graceful dance. It's like Tai Chi's gentle cousin. It's a series of movements, breath work and meditation that work together to harmonize the body, mind, and spirit. It's like a symphony, where each instrument plays its part to create a beautiful, harmonious whole. Imagine you're a conductor, and your body, mind, and spirit are the orchestra. Qigong is the music sheet, guiding you, showing you how to bring out the best in each part of the orchestra, how to create that beautiful harmony. But Qigong is not just about movements and breath work. It's also about mindfulness, about being present in the moment. It's like a quiet walk in the park, where you notice the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, the cool breeze. It's about being aware, being in tune with your body, your mind, your spirit, and the world around you. So if you're feeling like that tightly wound clock, why not give Qigong a try? It's a gentle art, a soothing lullaby, a morning cup of coffee, a river keeper, a tree, a dance, a symphony, a walk in the park. It's a way to harmonize your body, mind, and spirit, to release stress, to restore balance. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more stress-busting tips and techniques to share with you. Remember, life doesn't have to be a tightly wound clock. With practices like Qigong, you can unwind, relax, and enjoy the harmony. Until next time, stay stress-free.